Beth yw eich hoff atgofion chwarae o'ch plentyndod?
One of my favourite childhood memories when I was growing up was playing with all the kids in the street. We get our bikes out, we get the tricycles out, we get the go-karts out, and we'd have races around the street.
My favourite childhood play memory would be playing with Cindy's and the big doll's house that I had.
My favourite play memory from childhood is being on the beach with my nana, helping to make sandcastles, watching the Annaman boat go in and out, and spending the whole day there with a picnic.
Mae'r byd wedi newid, ond nid felly angen plant am chwarae. Mae Chlybiau Gofal Plant Allysgol yn rhedeg cyn oriau ysgol, wedi oriau ysgol ac yn ystod gwyliau'r ysgol i roi eich plant fan chwarae digolledol lle gallant chwilota, gwella sgiliau cymdeithasol, ennill hyder a hapusrwydd, chwarae mwy, rhoi cynnig ar weithgareddau newydd, datblygu sgiliau newydd a chyfeillgarwch a phobl newydd.
Play is important for children because it just helps on so many levels. They learn through their play, they can be creative, they can be themselves.
I think play is really important for children because it builds resilience, it helps them to negotiate risk, it helps them holistically develop.
Children have the freedom to do what they want to do.
I think inclusive childcare is really important because every child needs to have the opportunity to play.
P'na ydych yn gweithio o gartre, yn teithio i weithle, neu ddim ond am eich plentyn fanteisio ar brofiadau chwarae hwyliog gyda'u cyfoedion, gall Chlybiau Gofal Plant Allysgol helpu. Mae'n debyg eich bod eisoes yn nabod rhywun sy'n dibynnu ar Glwb Gofal Plant Allysgol i allu gweithio, hyfforddi neu am ofal seibiant. Mae Gweithwyr Chwarae a Chlybiau Gofal Plant Allysgol yn cefnogi'r economi ehangach yn ogystal â meithrin cenhedlaeth nesaf greadigol a gwydn, a'i set nhw eu hunain o atgofion chwarae.
We as a family use a childcare after school club because I don't have any family or close friends nearby that can help out with childcare. Me and my husband both work full-time for the NHS, so having someone that you can depend on to pick up your child after school, knowing that they're in a safe and fun environment means a big difference to us as a family.
In the classroom, it's all structured learning, so it's nice to have the time to play with the friends that she's made in school.
During lockdown, I did pick her up at kind of school time, but then she'd end up coming home with me, and then I'm working from home, so she'd just be in the house watching TV. So she gets a lot more here. Because
my daughter's an only child, and it's really important for me that she has a variety of children that she can play with of all different ages and all different backgrounds.
Mae Chlybiau Gofal Plant Allysgol yn adlewyrchu anghenion ac amrywiaeth eu cymunedau lleol, ond mwyn aros yn agored, cadw ei ffïoedd yn isel, a dal i ddarparu'r gwasanaethau y mae ei tair angen. Mae angen ei defnyddio. Gallwch ddod i wybod am Chlybiau Gofal Plant Allysgol drwy wefan Chlybiau Plant Cymru Kids Clubs, Dewis Cymru, neu wefan Arolygiaeth Gofal Cymru. Mae defnyddio clwb sydd wedi ei gofrestru gydag Arolygiaeth Gofal Cymru yn golygu y bydd staff yn gymwysedig wedi ei gwirio gan y gwasanaeth datgelu a gwahardd, a bod y gwasanaeth yn bodloni'r safonau gofynol cenedlaethol. Y mae hefyd yn agor y drws i gynlluniau cymorth ariannol lle byddwch yn gymwys.
What will your children's favourite play memories be?